Hi, welcome to Smart Record. Today I'll be showing you the process how to apply Gruha Jyothi. Where before applying you need to know few things. This scheme has been opened from 15 June to 15 July. So approximately we have almost 20 days to apply this. And if suppose you are a Karnataka, then you can apply this to get eligible for getting 200 units from the Congress government. Before starting this video, the documents which you require to apply this scheme is one is Aadhaar card, one is electricity bill, and one is mobile. I mean, to receive an OTP, which mobile do you want to give it? So suppose you have these three things in front of you, so you can follow my process. But one thing, when I was applying for mine, where I'll be staying in the Karnataka, so then I have faced few issues. Like you don't receive OTPs. So you need to follow the process one again and again until you get OTPs. Why? Because due to server there is no possibility. But the best time you can try is like early morning around 4 to 5. As you can see in the screen, there is a website link, or even I'll be giving in the description. You can click on the link. As you can see, this is the web page where this is the new web page created by the government for everyone. So here, as you can see here, there is a Gruha Jyothi. So if you click on the Gruha Jyothi, then you need to select language, where is English or Kannada. So I have selected Kannada. So here the main thing is like when you get the electricity bill, right, you find an 10 digits of number. So you need to enter here. Once you enter, if you give some time to that, it automatically generates the name, like the meter what it has been saved. Once after going that, and you need to select which is the, I'll be coming under Gulbarga, so I'll be selecting Jasco. Once it is done, so again if you scroll down, again here you will be asking Aadhaar card. So I have given my mom Aadhaar card here. So as you can see, her name is generated here. So once it is done, you need to provide your mobile number. Once after giving mobile number, you need to wait. Usually when I was doing in my laptop, I was getting this similar error. Like I have tried many times, but I was getting the same error at early morning. So when I was trying at evening, then I have received the OTP. Once if you submit the OTP and verify and submit the OTP, and then you can see the preview of the application. Oh, everything is done, then you need to submit it. But guys, I'll be telling you one thing. When you are doing in the mobile, right, you take screenshots. Why? Because it is not able to download in the receipt. So in my case also, it was like I was unable to download the receipt. So that's the reason I have taken the screenshot for the safety purpose. And when I have clicked this, again I have got the error. But luckily I have the screenshot, so I'm safe. So hopefully you came across what is the process step by step. No need to go to any government office to this application. I hope you have understood this video, and if you face any issue, let me know in the comment. I'll try to help you out. This is the process. I think it's very simple, right? So hopefully it takes not more than 5 minutes, but outside it's take more than they're taking 10 to 15 minutes, and there we need to stay in the queue. So that's the reason I'm making this video to you all. Hopefully if you understood, please give me a like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and Jai Hind.